Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by price in Litchi. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just start searching, and after that look in the top of its right corner and press on the two lines there. Now you can just scroll down here and select the price range here. And once that is done, you will be able to find items in that price range that you have selected there. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.